Hello Dnation and welcome to a Hot Wheels Unbox and Review series. In today's episode, we are going to be unboxing a set of 5 1/64th scale Hot Wheels trucks which are manufactured by Hot Wheels. These are 5 premium diecast trucks that pique my interest, and what's better is that these come in a 5-pack. So stay tuned with me on this one and let's get this started. Well, let's begin by taking a look at the packaging. These Hot Wheels diecast trucks come in the signature Hot Wheels card box blister packaging with all the product branding and information. So let's go ahead and take a look at the packaging before we set these beauties free. And with that out of the way, and as we get these open, please be careful while using sharp objects and keep these diecast collectibles away from children below the age of 5, as the tiny parts can be hazardous. So keeping this in mind, let's get these opened. Well, at first glance, these diecast trucks look quite premium and have a good build quality to them, and also have quite a bit of detailing to them as well. And these models are manufactured mostly of diecast and a few bits and bobs with ABS plastic, which makes them premium looking. These models have a beautiful build quality, and they measure in at 2.5 inches in length, 1 inch in height, 1 inch in width, and weigh in at about 90 grams on average depending on the model. These models also come with spot-on paint apps according to their color scheme and branding details, and have free-rolling wheels and a lot more, which make these functional and a premium collectible. So with that being said, let's quickly run through the model names of these premium Hot Wheel trucks. And what we are looking at now is the 52 Chevy pickup truck, and this has an awesome bodywork and signature Hot Wheels speed shop decals on the sides with a beautiful bright turquoise paint job. And this is a beautiful truck on the whole. And moving on, we have the Sandblaster, and this truck is a unique model and has an amazing paint job with signature graphics and massive off-road wheels, which makes it look menacing and all set to take on any terrain. Next up, we have the Datsun 620, which is also an amazing and popular pickup truck, and I love this one-off signature number 5 paint job and the decals on this one. And what we are looking at now is the infamous 2009 Ford F-150 pickup truck, and this is one of the most popular and sought after truck amidst collectors, and I love the gunmetal paint job and the classic retro build and decals on this one. And finally, we have the classic 68 El Camino, which has an amazing Spectra Flame neon green paint job with some amazing decals on the side, and what makes this even more awesome is the blowout engine on the back bed. Well, as I mentioned earlier, I'm a big fan of Hot Wheels classic cars, and I decided to go with this theme for this Hot Wheel episode. And this is just one of the 12 episodes in the series, so stay tuned and check out some amazing, unique and premium diecast cars by Hot Wheels. And so with that being said, let's take a closer look and check out the bodywork and the functionality of these diecast beauties, and kindly find further features and specifications regarding these diecast Hot Wheel cars in the description below. Well, everything seems to be spot on and up to my expectations with all these Hot Wheels diecast models. And so with that being said, let's place these diecast trucks on the Dnation turntable and take a look at these beauties in a 360-degree view. And here are a few fun facts. Hot Wheels is a brand of diecast toys which was introduced by American toy maker Mattel in 1968. It was the primary competitor of Matchbox until 1997 when Mattel bought Tyco Toys, then owner of Matchbox. Many automobile manufacturers have since licensed Hot Wheels to make scale models of their cars, allowing the use of original design blueprints and detailing. Although Hot Wheels were originally intended for children and young adults, they have become popular with the adult collectors nowadays, for whom limited edition models are now made available, and every now and then Hot Wheels comes out with a series of premium motorcycle models as well. For its 40th anniversary in 2008, Hot Wheels celebrated the making of its 4 billionth car by the production of a diamond-studded model worth $140,000. It had 2,700 diamond chips, a total of almost 23 carats, and was cast in white gold with rubies serving as tail lights. And for further information on Hot Wheels, kindly check the link in the description below. And if you want to get yourself or your loved ones this Hot Wheels truck set that is featured in today's video, I dropped the Best Buy link in the description below. So go check it out and get yourself one if you're interested. And also please do let me know in the comments below as to which one of these Hot Wheels trucks are your favorite. And I want to thank my Dnation subscribers and followers for your constant support and feedback. And kindly continue to support Dnation by subscribing if you haven't already, and also by liking and sharing our videos. And please do check out the rest of the Hot Wheels episodes in the playlist below. Go big, go Hot Wheels! And this brings us to the end of this amazing unbox and review episode, and I hope you enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed making it for you. And if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a massive thumbs up and share it, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button if this is your first time here. And also don't forget to click that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming episodes. And if you care to share your views and thoughts on this episode, please do drop your comments below. And stay tuned for a lot more exciting episodes on Hot Wheels diecast cars coming up. Well, thank you for watching. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one.